Colors. Raju, hello, can I play with you all? How nice. Raju, thank you. Wow, your sir dress is so nice. It's a lovely color. Parrot, oh, my dress is a green. It is a bright crow. My dress is black. It is not bright. It is a black as night. Stork, my dress is white. Peacock, my dress is green and blue. I dance for children like you. Say aloud, do you love colors? Yes, I do. Red or orange, green and blue. I love colors, dark and bright, yellow, purple, black, and white. Do you love colors? Yes, I do. Let's try this. Color this picture. Oh, good. Trace this number. Trace these letters. A K V M N W X Y Z. Can you name a few of things that you see in this picture?